when I got here, some Air Force Ones and shit that I had cleaned and brought back. Yeah, these bitches was beat. I know they don't look like it, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how to put what is called on there, fabric. I'm gonna show you how to put fabric on there and rope laces too. So it's the fabric. We'll put some Dior on there, and we're gonna put some gray rope laces, and we're gonna paint the sock lining gray too. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video today. So yeah, stay tuned. Homage got the vibe, got. Alright, so once we done putting the holes in for the rope laces and stuff, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tape to make our pretty much our template. That's all we gonna do. I made this one already off camera for TikTok. So pretty much that's all we gonna do. We're gonna make our template. We're gonna put the tape around, trace out, and then put it on the fabric. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So yeah. Make sure you get all around the grooves. Use your fingernail or something. Even if you can use this, whatever. So now, all you gonna do is take your pen and then trace around the edge. Just push up around the edge. Don't matter if you put holes in it, we gonna cut around it anyways. But yeah, make sure you're right along the edge. Keep pressing down and press it down in the grooves as you go. Alright, boom. There you go. So make sure you right left or right toe cap so you will know. That way you won't get it mixed up when you cut them up. Because if you mix them up, the shit won't go on. You waste fabric and you got to do the shit over. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rest of the sides. And so when you finish with the whole shoe, it's going to look something like this. Like I said, you could do any other area of the shoe. I'm just doing this because that's what the person wants. You feel me? You could do the Nike check. You could do the side panels around the toe cap. But like I said, that's just what the person wanted. Alright, so I'm editing this video right now. The custom been done for about like a couple days now. But it didn't record me taking off the tape and cutting out the fabric. So what you would do is once you make your outline and everything, or use the X-Acto knife to cut around, you'll want to put it on your fabric. And once you put it on your fabric, go get you some good scissors, Got these from Amazon. Get you some good fabric scissors, not no regular store scissors, not paper bullshit scissors. No, get you some good fabric scissors. That's what you want off of Amazon. I got the big one, medium one, and the small one for the details to get around, small areas. So once you got everything to do all that, just cut around your outline. The outline you made with the pen or the shape that you cut out with the X-Acto knife with the tape. Either one, that's all you do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sand down the areas I'm going to add the fabric and glue to just to give it a better bond. Alright, so after you get done doing a little quick light sand, we're going to hit it with the acetone. Just hit it with the acetone. Get everything we sanded off, get all that off, and the factory finish. Alright, so now we're in the final stages. So after you got everything cut out and everything separated, make sure, do a test fit, make sure everything fit right. Yeah, everything fitting right. Yep. All you're going to need is a brush and some barge affinity cement. This right here, that's what you want. You don't want no E6000, none of no Gorilla Glue, none of that bullshit. You want barge, infinity cement, or super stick. Them only two things you want to be using for shoes. That's it. So, yeah, once you got everything together and shit, get you a little mat. Well, I'm going to use a little mat because this got acetone in it, and it's where I paint at, so all that's going to get on my fabric, and I don't want that to get on my fabric or custom or none of that. And some people will tell you to throw your brushes. You're going to have to throw the brushes away afterwards. No. You're going to dip it in acetone. You're going to let it soak in acetone. The glue going to come off. It has acetone in here. So, yeah, I'm going to show y'all at the end when everything's said and done. So, what you want to do is, like I said, get your glue. This shit stinks, so you might want to wear a respirator. Shit, I was smoking cigarettes up down there half my life, so what else could go wrong? But, yeah. Like this one. Let me cut this part off first. Where's some scissors? Cut this one off the fabric. Alright, so now you just take your glue. You ain't gotta oversaturate it because, like I said, it's got acetone. This shit will eat through some of your fabric and all that. You don't want to oversaturate it enough. A little goes a long way with this. A little goes a long way. I like to line up the toe cap first. elbows up, lay it down, press it, press it, press it, press it. See, we're not gonna pull the tape off right away with this because we're gonna pull the fabric. We're gonna let this sit a little bit. Now if we was using leather, yeah, we'd have pulled it up all the way. Would have pulled it up right away, my bad, right away. And since we actually got fabric, we're gonna wait a little bit. But make sure you're pushing all the air bubbles out and everything. Push it down, pushing them edges down. Make sure we put it pushing in all the cracks. Goddamn glue on my hands. But don't worry, I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of the fray edges. I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all know what we're gonna do anyways with some of y'all with fabric. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the heat gun, once I got everything pushed down in there, take the heat gun to heat it up. To speed up the process of this. Press down, press it, press it, press it. It's gonna mold to it. It's gonna mold to it. Not bad if I ain't got it in the screen. Trying to make sure these right. Voila. There you go. Motherfucker clean in the mud, huh? But yeah, that's how you do it. I'm about to go on and do the other ones, the other sides and everything. Everything is all the same. And then when I'm finished, I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of all the frayed edges. Homage got the vibe, vibe. Now, because like I said, it'd be frayed edges. So what you're going to do is take your lighter, just go around all the edges and everything. You're going to burn off all the frayed edges to give it a clean look. Alright, so now after all that, this is what we get. Clean, nice and clean. So I showed y'all how to put the fabric on. Just go out there, practice on old shoes, and after you get good, start charging people, you feel me? Free game.